Now let's have a look at how to visualize the data using histogram, box plot, and normal probability plotting. So histogram is a graphical tool to help us visualize the distribution of data. Suppose we have a sample data set with summary information below. So 70, 70.1, 80 to 50 to 79.2. So the total number of data points, n equals to 80. So the minimum is 70, the maximum is 250. So the step one, in order to plot the histogram, we need to choose the number of bins. Okay, so the rule of thumb is number of bins equals to the square root of the total number of data points. Okay, so square root of 80 is approximately 9, so we are going to use 9 bins. The second step is to compute the range of data, maximum minus minimum. 250 minus 70 equals to 180. So based on the steps 1 and 2, we calculated the bin width. So 180 divided by 9 is approximately 20, right? So then we go from 70 to 90. The bin width is 20. 90 to 110 until the 230 to 250. Then we count the frequency of data points appearance in each bin. Now, as shown below, so we have shown in the first bin twice and third times in the second bin. And the tallest one is 170 to 190. We show up appearance 27 times, and this is 22 times. So this is the distribution of our data, the frequency, the occurrence in each bin. We can also use the relative frequency. That means divided the frequency of appearance, the 2 divided by the total number of data points. So the relative frequency, if you add all of them together, it should be 1. Okay, so that's the difference between frequency. Frequency is the number of occurrence or appearance, but a relative frequency is a relative occurrence compared to the total number of data points. So let's compare these two data sets. So x-axis is actually the data values. That means the bin and the where the bin is located. And the y-axis is the frequency. This is the number of occurrence in each bin, right? 400 times here. And as we can see, blue does not have as many occurrence as the orange. But a relative frequency, and this comparison is not really in the same scale. So if we scale them into the relative frequency, so the y-axis becomes relative frequency, we can see that the blue distribution is in the left side and the orange distribution is in the right-hand side. So it's a more meaningful comparison between two distributions. So hopefully this gives you some ideas on how to plot the histogram of the data and also check the location. So you can see the location of the data, the spread of the data, the shape of the data, and you compare two distributions, how they are differing from each other. This is a MATLAB software demo. If you use this program into the MATLAB software, and you will generate these two plots.